Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Begin by preparing the space for the Raid Dry Fogger application. Remove all people and pets from the treated area for at least 2 hours and preferably 8 hours when possible. Take out food, dishes, utensils, and exposed food containers and store them elsewhere. Close and cover aquariums, baby furniture, and electronics with plastic sheeting to prevent moisture contact. Turn off pilot lights and open cabinets where pests hide. Ensure windows and exterior doors are closed to keep the fogger effective. Shake the Raid Dry Fogger vigorously for 30 seconds before use. Perform a short test, spray away from people and materials to confirm function. Set the can upright on a raised surface about 3 to 4 feet off the floor for even distribution. Press the valve fully to discharge the product until the can is empty or the indicator shows completion. Exit the treated area immediately after activating the fogger and close the door behind you. Do not re-enter until the recommended wait time has begun. After activation, leave the area closed for the recommended wait time of 2 hours for basic re-entry or 8 hours for extended protection. When you return, open windows and run fans for at least 30 minutes to ventilate the space thoroughly. Remove plastic covers carefully and avoid contact with treated surfaces until ventilated. Wipe down counters and any surfaces that touch food before reuse, and wash pet bowls and baby items with soap and water. Dispose of empty cans according to local regulations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.